Good afternoon to all the students, management and faculty members of IET Alwar. My name is Menak Upreti and I am working as a General Manager for Apron Solutions Private Limited. I would like to thank the management and the HOD and all of the staff members for giving us a chance to come live with the students of IET. So I would make an announcement today that we are going live as a webinar session for career aspects of data science and the future of data science, how the things will be changed after the industry moves on to the online sector after this lockdown. So I hope that you all be with us on 28th of May in the evening at 4 p.m. on my YouTube channel, and I'll be sharing the link with all of you, and I hope that you come there and listen to it. The faculty who will be delivering the webinar would be Mr. Deepak. He is the senior data science consultant in Apron Solutions Private Limited. And folks, I just want to say a quick intro for you people that the industry is changing in these times. These are tough times for India and the whole world when we are experiencing a global lockdown in almost all the countries that are in the world today. But no need to worry for the students of BTech, Computer Science and Engineering, or even in that way any of the branches of BTech, because the speed at which the market has gone down, it will not recover at the same speed, but eventually it will be recovering, and will be recovering with some quality in it. So please don't worry regarding your jobs and your future as a technical student. You need not worry about that. The main agenda is how do you plan a goal for yourself, how do you study, how do you choose the technologies for yourself. This is the third time when India is experiencing recession. The first recession came in the year 1999 when we did the nuclear test and the global world imposed sanctions on India due to that nuclear test done by India. The second recession came in the year 2008 when 5 investment banks of United States of America crashed down at the same time. That loss was around 3 lakh crore rupees, Indian rupees. So India emerged in 1999, India has emerged in 2008 also, and India will emerge after 2020 also. The main aspect is that how do you plan your goal? How do you plan your technology? Are you aware of the current scenario that is happening all around the world? We as a student or as a college fraternity, as an education society, we people are all locked down up in our homes. But mind you, the IT industry is functioning at the same pace. Even I was in discussion with some of my friends. They are saying me earlier they used to work for 8 hours. Working from home has even extended their work schedule to around 14 to 15 hours. So IT students, computer science students, no need to worry because of lockdown. You have ample of opportunities waiting for you. We'll be covering the data science session for you all as a part of our webinar with IET Alwar, and we'll be meeting you on 28th, and I'll also personally be discussing different ways and forms by which you can make yourself employable. Right, data science is not the only thing available for the CS students. There are many other scope or areas that are available for the CS students. So I'll be discussing each and everything with you. The main focus would be upon data science and its applications, and also how to enable you people to choose a career for yourself. So no need to worry, and be there with us for the webinar. We'll be meeting you on 28th. Thank you so much once again IET Alwar for inviting us for this session, and I hope this will be a successful session for all the people out there, and all of us will benefit as a team. We have to help each other out in emerging out of this lockdown, and I can fully understand the emotions and the tensions in your mind, but seriously, believe me, you don't have to worry regarding that. I'll handle that part. I'll clear all your doubts regarding the planning for your future, and of course data science will also be there as a part of this webinar. So meet you students on 28th, and have a great day. Stay home, stay safe, and good luck. So there is one last announcement, and a very interesting one for you people. So we will be conducting an online quiz at the end of the training session, and one lucky winner, the highest scorer in that online quiz, will get a free 100% free of cost internship from Apron Solutions. That would be an internship program in which we'll be indulging him into some real-time activities. So I I request you all to please be with us till the end of the session and participate in the quiz. And one lucky winner, maybe you sitting out there, can win a chance for a free internship program with Apron Solutions Private Limited. I'm sharing some links with you. You can go through this. This is one link of my video. This is one link of my career guidance playlist. You can go through these videos. It will be helpful for you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. The subscription link is present here. Please click this link and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next series of the webinars. Thank you so much and have a great day.